Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos and I am back with a giveaway. We all love giveaways and this is a particularly gorgeous giveaway, get it? Gorgeous. And as you've probably seen from my videos the last couple of days, I have got my gorgeous collection out and have been doing some projects with my gorgeous goodies. So these are here are some gorgeous goodies that I have made that I am going to be giving away. Now, let me show you the goodies first. So we have a handmade card from the Gorjuss stamps, and this is just using a lovely die cut matte layer, should we say. So this is there's a card. You have a card. This is a postcard, and this is made with the postcard Santora postcard die, and this is these are the stamps that you get with the die set. You get, I think, 4 different stamps like that, and I think 4 of those, and then you get this by airmail. This is one of the small stamps that I showed you in my one of my other videos. So these are separate stamps, and this has been watercolored, and that's using some DSP from the paper pack. So you have a postcard and a card. Now I presume you can't actually use that as a postcard because you've got to put your own stamp on, but you could use that to send to someone as a card instead of a card. Yep. Okay, very cute. The reason I have the DSP on the other side is because when I coloured her hair in, it did show through on the other side, so I just put a bit of DSP on the back. But look how lovely. Then we have this gorgeous little mini album, which I have done a tutorial on how to make these, and this has more little gorgeous in there, some little so there's a couple of gorgeous tags hiding in here. Isn't she beautiful? Look, love her. So that's a cute little album, lovely gift. And then we have, these are just some I just went through my box of gorgeous bits and pieces, and these are just some I'd stamped and cut out, but you could make some cards from them. So there's some little girls there that have been it's just on card and coloured in with now they were using the Spectrum Noir markers, these were, so just some in different colours. So there's those. Now these, oh, I made these today. Oh, they're just too gorgeous. These are from the dies, and look how lovely they are. They're just too cute, aren't they? So there are 2 of these little girls. And then I had just some little bits that I had. Now, I think these, I don't even know where these bits came from. So I've just popped them in just to add a couple of little bits in there for you. So these are the Gorjuss goodies that you will be getting. And this is running from the, oh my goodness me, I can't even think what the date is now. Second, oh gosh, this is from Monday through Monday, so this is our weekly giveaway, and this is running from Monday the 5th of January for the week. And all you have to do to have a chance of winning these goodies is to leave a comment on one of my videos, and it can be any of my videos. If you leave a comment, you will be entered into this giveaway, and then one person will be, a name will be drawn at random on the following Monday and will be announced on the Monday. So good luck, everybody. Those of you that have been following me for a while know how the giveaway is. It's very easy. You have to be a subscriber, and you just have to leave a comment and just say hello or whatever you want to say. But good luck with these goodies. Just lovely to have. I mean, I probably wouldn't give them away myself if I got them, because I'm a bit of a gorgeous hoarder, I must admit. So good luck, and gosh, do you know what? I've been running around like a headless chicken, and I'm so sorry if I've been like, all I have to say is good luck, have a lovely, lovely day, and I shall see you soon. Don't even know what day of the week it is. I think it is Tuesday, isn't it? But good luck, everybody. I'm sorry if I sound like a rambling mad person. Yeah, I am, with 3 cats as well, but never mind. Anyway, my darlings, take care. I shall see you very, very soon. Love you all lots, and good luck. Bye-bye.